What you're doing is pretty sketch.
It is lightly sketch what I'm doing right now. Hello, kind people of the internets. This video is starting out in Forrester Gump, and my friend Liz is here.
How you doing?
That thing that just popped up on the screen is her social media link.
Oh, hi. Oh my god, how you guys doing? I'm back in Arizona. If you guys don't remember, I'm super excited. We're here at this like pastry place that Sarah's taking me. She says it's very bougie, so I'll be the judge of that.
So we're gonna get some food, and then in the back of the Gump I have hub assemblies and the lower control arms off the TT. And what I'm gonna do right now, my friend Phil is going to press out the wheel bearings. No OSHA inspectors watch my videos. I was gonna buy a press, but I just don't have the space in my garage to set one up, so.
Convince her to move. Somewhere bigger and better, like New Jersey.
Why is there packages on the side of the street?
I noticed that too.
Never mind. There's packages on the side of the street. That's really sad. Poor packages, and there's a butterfly. Okay. So, we're in an R8, and my friend Phil let me drive his R8. So.
All right, we're stealing it. Bye. Thank you. Oh shit! I was not expecting that.
This thing goes.
You saw my neck. Oh wow, that was super quick.
It's not like he said. It's not like super fast, but it's quick.
It's quick.
This is cool. I like R8. It's like supercar light. It's like a supercar, but it's not like it doesn't feel like a supercar.
Like you can still go to the coffee shop and be very normal.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a family-friendly car. You see this net right here?
This
is where you can keep your children.
Your baby.
What does he even know?
We're back. It was like a 10% success rate with getting these pressed out and in.
Press. I don't need more press.
Cats. Sarah don't need no more cats. This. So he wasn't able to press the bushings out of here. Reason being is this thing is really awkward shaped and it was wobbling around inside the press. Just he didn't have the correct adapters and cups and stuff. So that means I gotta get these bushings out on my own. And it is the next day, just like that. I'm starting out in the garage this morning because Liz is gonna do some work on the TT with me. You look like you're in heaven because it's so white and washed out.
Hell yeah. It's very clean under here.
It is, because I scrubbed the hell out of it.
It's really nice. I really feel comfortable dragging my dirty hands on this.
So here's the deal. I'm gonna show her what to do on the driver's side of the car, and since the passenger side of the car is shoved up against the wall over there, I'm gonna knock out the other side of the car while she does this side. So basically she's just gonna pull off the rear trailing arm and pop the axle out of there. And I'm gonna take the whole rear trailing arm assembly down to my friend Phil's shop so he can press out the bearing and pop the hub off here with his press since I don't have one.
It shouldn't be hard. It's a couple of bolts up here, right here, down here, and we'll have to move the quick jack, right? Yeah.
I forgot, I already loosened the top link on this side. And then the bottom one, I think the nut was cross-threaded on her side. Okay, it's like 1,000,000 degrees in here. I don't want the swamp cooler on because it's really loud trying to film back there. Use another zip tie. Is there another clip? Yeah, there's more clips.
There you go. so dusty under here.
I know, right? Really like no good place to pry from. Originally we were gonna do like she does one side and I was gonna do one side, and now it's just kind of like I'm helping her, she's helping me, we're just getting it done.
Pretty much. It's way too hot in this garage, let me tell you. I wish Sarah had a bigger place, but don't we all? And it's out.
So now you know I'm not joking when I say it's hot, and this isn't even the hottest part of the year.
Yo, I feel like I need to change gloves too because it's hot under these.
Yeah.
This is bad. But we'll do it. Oh my god, that's a spider web. There's no spiders in here, are there?
No, I sprayed really good. As far as just remnants. Once the brake line plastic doodads are popped, then I think the only thing left is this guy. Oh no, there's a bucket falling on me. That sucks. Got those little plastic clipper doodles.
I'll come back. Hold on.
You know some guy that was probably his career engineering that plastic clip?
And he just like watches everyone and curse him out every time they do a video. Like, these clips! I'm just like, sir, you are evil. Just pop out! Oh my god, why won't you pop out? This is really annoying me right now. It doesn't want to pop.
So those are out. Oh, that's out. Oh, look at this. Oh.
Ah!
Oh, you did it! Did you hit your back or your head?
I hit my back.
So you jack up the rear of the car so that we can get these guys out of here. Cats, 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 cats.
What you're doing is pretty sketch.
It is lightly sketch what I'm doing right now. I am not gonna lie. But this will allow these guys to come out. Alright, now to remove these. My butt is on fire! Oh god! I should be careful since this thing is not. Yes, please. This sucked so bad. I got the driver's side done. That was not as easy as I thought it was going to be.
It was not.
We're not going to do the passenger side because I was not expecting to do this kind of crap today.
It took well over an hour or two to get that thing off.
This right here, the parking brake cable, was the biggest pain because it's inside the rear trailing arm. This housing goes inside the unibody and it bolts inside there, and that was a huge pain because the quick jack was in the way. Good morning. It's the next day. We're not dressed to work on cars because it's her last full day here, and it's more vlog stuff.
What are you doing?
I'm getting in my car.
Look at her! Oh my god. Look at this. She made it in, guys.
Hi. That was graceful. I gotta remember blah 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 blah. But I gotta tether my new phone to my head unit so it's not silent. I gotta rinse the gump off real quick. I'm not using the brushes, don't worry. It's touch free. It's just this has the air dryer, and if I use one of the self-service bays to hose them down, I have nothing to dry it with. This is the first time in 5 years Forrester Gump has ever been in one of these type of car washes. Ever.
So did you enjoy breakfast?
Yes. See.
See? Good.
Now we're going to play Topgolf.
Mind you, I have these heels and she is also wearing heels. Sort of like last time, remember how I was trying to drive the TT?
Were you in heels driving that?
Yes, I was actually.
So there's these flowers that are everywhere all over Arizona, and it matches you. Today, it is a lovely day on the course. Cool breeze. Temperature is 86 degrees. I don't know how golf announcer people do it. First on the green, Elizabeth MickBeth. Swing, and it's in the green. Swing. It's now Sarah's turn up to tee, searching for the ball, puts it on the tee, and swing. shoots and disappears into the atmosphere. Liz has a fairly consistent technique of getting it into the first big hole. As you can see, just to the left of those two. Under further examination, you can see Sarah's technique is to just whack that ball, and sometimes it doesn't exactly go in the same place twice. Swing, and it looks like it's over to the right somewhere. And on Liz's last shot, it's looking like it's going to be a tough one for Sarah to recover from. Swing. Oh, that one might have gone in. Sarah's last shot. I think the ball ended up behind me somehow. Oh well.
She was 10 behind. I give her props. She did really good. There were times where like she hit it and it got really high. I got really intimidated, but you were almost there. 10 more points and you would have beat me.
I don't sport much. This is really fun. I want to come do this again though, for sure. We just stopped and got some boba tea. I got, mine's called a dragon's blood. It's spicy.
And I got vanilla. Regular boba.
Hello. I'm back in my garage. We just got back to my house. This has been a really fun weekend, and Liz really got me out of my shell because I am, surprisingly enough, even with this YouTube stuff that I do, a very shy person, and I don't have a lot of self-confidence, which is not a good thing. So she really helped me this weekend, and I built up some confidence, and we went out places, and it was fun. First thing Tuesday morning, I need to decide whether or not I'm going to replace these metal brake lines, the hard lines. So I don't want to replace them unless I have to, but while I have this all apart, I need to figure out if I'm going to do this now. And these things just for one line is $130, and there's two of them. So Tuesday morning, I'm going to be tearing apart the other side of the car. She leaves tomorrow, so we're gonna go get some food, and I'm glad I was able to make this vlog with her on my channel because she broke me out of my shell this past couple days. I don't people well.
It's okay. It's what happens when you have more people around you. So convince her to move somewhere where it's a lot more people so she can people.
I've become a hermit in my garage, and I like forgot how to go out, and I don't know. So she broke me out of my shell, and I feel like a human again. So thank you.
You're welcome.
And her link thing popped up in the beginning of the video, but she's making a vlog while she's here, and it's not the same clips that's in this video. So if you guys want to watch more of the same content, including working on the TT and everything we did, just different stuff that she filmed, the video is going to be going up a day after this video because she has to fly across country. So you guys will be able to watch that the next day.
Hey.
And you should subscribe to her channel as well because she's going to start putting in some more work on her FRS this winter. And if you bug her, maybe she'll get another project car to work on.
Maybe. Just maybe.
Yeah. And I think you should legit, she's bought a house and she's doing a lot of renovating. So if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, I think she should film at least like garage stuff.
Probably. It's a thing. I have a really big garage now, so I need some drywall and insulation. So I don't know if you guys would be interested in that, but
Yeah.
I'll definitely record it.
So, yeah. Thank you for coming to visit me.
Love you. Bye, guys.
Bye.